Welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with 16 different online courses 100% free with certificate. So these all are Udemy courses you can go with. So let me show you all those courses and you can just click on link and you can enroll the courses. You need not to give the coupon code, and please you do enroll the course as soon as possible, and you can watch. I will show you all coupon code is valid, so you need not to manually type the coupon code. Directly you can click the link and enroll. So at first, if you have not subscribed my channel, then you please subscribe my channel, and if you have subscribed, then at least share with 4 to 5% this video, then that person will also appreciate you and our network will increase. So please do that help for me. Now the first course is, you can see, CSS3 and Bootstrap. So there is so many online internship and job regarding these courses, so you can learn this course also. And you just, when you open the link, you will get like this, and you have to just click enroll now. And please you enroll fast, otherwise maybe some courses coupon code will be expired. So I just want to show you it so very fast, so I can save your time, right? Now the second course is, you can see here, C programming for beginners, master the C fundamental. So if you are in first year, second year, you can learn this course, and this is the basic for computer language. So these all contains the certificates, so you need not to worry, you will get certificate at the end. Please you enroll and you subscribe my channel, and you can also join Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You can find the link in video description. And if you are also interested for NPTEL courses, then I have already provided a video on that, how you can select the best NPTEL courses, NPTEL domain certificate how you can get, and as well as NPTEL star certificate you can get. So you can check it out in the playlist NPTEL information. So vulnerability analysis courses for ethical hacking. So these days very trending topic, ethical hacking, and the huge demand in the market. So you can go with, this is the third course. My network speed is a bit low, so I am taking a little more time. So you need not to worry, you just check it out all video and you select which course you want. The fourth course is cyber security penetration testing tools course. So this is also, you can know the value of this course is very huge and huge. So these all courses has a well designed course and with the limited time frame, so you can go and learn these courses, and once you enroll the course there is lifetime access. So even you are not this time ready to learn the course, you just enroll, and in later in the vacation, other vacation holidays, you can learn. This is the domain name system, so DNS, so you can also go through. This is regarding the server. So if you are from IT and ECE people, then also it is the very important course for you. So you go through these courses, right? The other is time conversion on bitcoins and blockchain. So this is also a trending topic, and in coming days it is going to occupy the huge market in Asian country too. So you can learn this technology and you can learn about the basic. The next course is teacher training, how to teach online remote teaching 1 hour. So for teacher it is very good courses if you are teacher, or you can also suggest this course to your faculty, so they can use this course and they can teach you in the better way in this holidays. So you can even send this video to your teacher, they will definitely appreciate you and thanks you for sharing the information. The next course is deep learning for beginners. So you know well the deep learning, AI, machine learning, these all are very important courses in this 21st century. So you can go with these all courses. At least you enroll these courses because these courses have lifetime access. So once you enroll, you can later on learn these courses and collect the knowledge and gain the certificate as per the requirement, right? So already I am providing also the other online courses from Google, Udemy, Upgrade, PrepByte. So you can go and check my playlist and you can enroll those courses and you can utilize the holidays in the better way and you can take yourself to the next level of the learning, right? The next course is the complete introduction to data analysis, right? So you can go with the person who want to be data scientist, they can go with these courses, right? There is teach English online as a foreign language. So you can understand these days communication and English is the most important language to make you connect with the world. So you can also learn the English. So you need not to go for the tuition. You can just learn from here. So you can go with and build your AI chatbot using Rasa in one day. So you have to build chatbot and you can understand the chatbot bot has the huge utilization in this lockdown period. So as the company is running with the optimal manpower, so this company needs some automation chatbot so they can handle the lots of customer with the less manpower. So you can understand those importance and you can learn those things and even you can mention that as a small mini project. And Facebook marketing, so this is one side you can earn from the Facebook marketing. So this is the way if you want to be entrepreneurship, then you can learn these courses, marketing skill, right? The next course is leadership. You can speak like a leader. So already I have enrolled these courses. You can also go and enroll. So leadership, you can understand the leadership qualities required to move in life. And the next course is training with CEO expert of the beginners. So even you can go through these courses for IT and CSC people. These courses are important. And now the last course is Liferay of the beginners. Create your website without coding. So if you want to create your website and share your knowledge idea to the world and spread your knowledge like anything, you can create your website without coding. Even any people can go with these courses. So you do and utilize this opportunity and enroll this, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, share this video, like this video, and please stay home, stay safe and stay learning, stay tuned with Deep Korean Guru. So thank you all, have a good time.